While healthcare is arguably society's most important industry, it's also among the least digitally transformed, which is surprising given its vast potential. Nowhere is this more evident than in the stark revenue chasm that has emerged between top tech products and blockbuster pharmaceuticals. In 2022, Google Ads pulled in $225 billion and Apple's iPhone $209 billion. Even their most profitable drugs, Comirnaty $36 billion and Paxlovid $25 billion. This isn't just about different revenue generation models. It reflects fundamental structural gaps that biopharmas must address to ensure long-term relevance and impact. Here are 4 key takeaways from our analysis. Structural gap 1. Market scalability and network effects. Tech platforms leverage network externalities, where each new user increases the platform's overall value, driving exponential adoption and compounding data generation. In contrast, pharma faces finite patent life cycles, long R&D timelines, fragmented and delayed patient feedback loops, and regulatory bottlenecks. Despite these challenges, pharma companies continue to invest heavily in R&D, pouring billions into discovering and developing new therapies. Yet without a flywheel of value like those found in digital ecosystems, these investments often fail to deliver sustained returns. Instead, pharma companies are left with costly one-time baits that lack the compounding benefits of network effects. Structural gap 2. Innovation velocity. While tech leverages agile development and continuous product iteration, drug development remains sluggish. Biopharma returns often fall below the cost of capital, weighed down by an average cost of $2.5 billion to develop a new drug. 10 to 15-year timelines from bench to bedside and high failure rates in phase 2 and 3 trials. Structural gap 3. Disengaged patient experience. Younger generations increasingly turn to telehealth and D2C health tech platforms like HIMSS. Drawn by ease, transparency, and a digital-first UX, pharma's lag in digital transformation, coupled with siloed data systems, undermines patient loyalty, personalization, and real-world insight collection. Structural gap 4. Regulatory asymmetry. Tech platforms generally operate in relatively fluid regulatory environments, while pharma faces rigorous FDA oversight, pricing controls, and global regulatory fragmentation. This dampens investor confidence and slows innovation. Strategic vision. Toward convergence with tech, we see 2 potential paths for closing this gap. First, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. The integration of BCI technologies with consumer products like the iPhone or Apple Vision Pro could dramatically shift health monitoring and therapeutic engagement. These neurodigital platforms could enable real-time neurological diagnostics, support personalized neurotherapeutics, and offer continuous biomarker tracking for diseases like epilepsy, depression, and Alzheimer's. Moreover, they could transition patient engagement from episodic care to always-on care ecosystems. Imagine a future where Apple's Vision Pro becomes an integral part of your neurodigital health journey. The device could seamlessly integrate with a biopharma therapy ecosystem, providing real-time disease monitoring and therapeutic interventions. This convergence of cutting-edge tech and life sciences has the potential to revolutionize how we manage neurological conditions. But it requires biopharmas to think beyond traditional product offerings and embrace a platform mindset. Second, AI-enabled closed-loop drug discovery. The infusion of AI plus real-time patient data into drug development can accelerate and de-risk pipelines. Closed-loop systems can use digital twins and biomarker feedback to simulate trials in silico, enabling adaptive trial designs and faster go, no-go decisions. They can also discover novel drug targets by integrating multi-omics data, genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and tailored dosing and delivery through real-world data algorithms. In conclusion, the widening gap in revenue between tech and pharma is not an inevitable outcome. It's an addressable challenge. The future belongs to those who transcend traditional silos. By embracing these strategic imperatives, Biopharma companies can bridge this gap and redefine what it means to be a leader in the 21st century. So the question we leave you with is, are you ready to cross the chasm? Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about our healthcare and life sciences practice, please visit our website.